We love hosting Manufacturing Day because it's the premier opportunity for us to connect students with career opportunities in manufacturing businesses in our region here. It just gives them a real opportunity to know what that looks like in a day in, day out type of environment.
So we've actually decided to take this event virtual, and that allows the kids to participate on what makes most sense for their teachers back in their classrooms, whether it's at home. And so we're really working with our local administrators, making sure that these resources we're creating are available and 100% online.
It gives us a chance to influence or change the mindsets of the kids that are coming in. We're able to show them the different avenues they can pursue in career growth or opportunities that they didn't know were available. Many manufacturers have the ability to assist in tuition reimbursement and just show them the technology that has evolved over the years.
We're planning on having activities that can be done during or even into the following weeks afterwards that will further connect what they saw and learned during the Manufacturing Day experience into their classroom, into career exploration that they might be doing.
We can't change or move towards something when we have no idea what that is. It's so important for students to be able to see and understand. They can at least experience, what does this look like? How can I picture myself in that environment? See themselves as an engineer, as a CNC, as a maintenance, as a mechanic, or as a drafter, all these kinds of things. We want students to know, hey, that could be me. It's important for kids to know that there are multiple different jobs at every business. How do I integrate my knowledge of science or technology, engineering, mathematics, and come up with solutions with my team?
For me, having a student in the middle school going through high school process, you start to look around your area and you're thinking, where are they going to work? Are they going to come back? Are they going to go to college and get a job in another state? And so giving them the opportunity to see what's available to them, and more importantly to me, what's available to them right here where they've grown up and they love being with family, is really a cool opportunity. In order for my 8th grade kids to know the value of manufacturing, they have to see it. And I say manufacturing to them, nobody in my family works in manufacturing, but I have a lot of friends and colleagues who do, and I see the value and what they give back to the community. And my kids are now able to see exactly what happens there, why it's important, how much money they can make, what it's going to look like when they show up, and how they can make a really good living and stay right here.